friends, running kimono here. So we have a little bit of Walmart clearance and some Ibotta action right here, and Shopkick as well. Right here I did the video I made this morning about the Lysol wipes and it worked out beautifully, so I'm going to explain that to you. And then I've been kind of going crazy at Lowe's, 75% off, so I will show you guys the prices of all this stuff and a couple UPCs if you are interested. And the weather report for you guys, it's a little bit later. It's getting closer to magic hour or dusk time. And this is the new inflatables that we got. I think I bought that at Home Depot when it was 75% off a couple days ago, like right before Christmas. And how cute is that? So it's a little Santa and the reindeers, and then we have a little light show. So we had absolutely nothing, and now the magic of clearance shopping, that's what we have. And hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, so the first little dealio that we're going to talk about is over at Walgreens, and this is the only deal I did do. Now, there's a lot of stuff floating around the internet about that $5 glitch with the number 7 coupon, that it's still taking place. Some people are saying it's not taking place. Some people are saying that the money in their account that they've earned from this promotion is being taken back. So the only thing I can speak of is from experience, and I kind of touched on it this morning, that I think it was like in 2018, guys, there was some sort of glitch too with Gillette razors, and basically just to sum up a really long story short, the money that they gave that was not supposed to happen, they actually did take it back, and with the beauty and power of computers they can do that. So I was not going to buy everything in increments of $5 to try to rack up a bunch of Walgreens cash, because I did not want any trouble. So I'm just going to explain what I did, and sorry I went on that little tangent, but I would rather be safe than sorry. I want my account in good standings because I love shopping there, so I'm not going to mess around with this. I got 2 of these Lysol wipes. Back to the deal, I got 2 of these Lysol wipes, $5.49 for the first. The second one is free. That is the store promotion. And we have a buy one get one free coupon if you were so fortunate to load it, I think like 2 weeks ago. And basically I paid 50 cents for the 2, which is a really fantastic deal. So 25 cents for this. Yes, please, and thank you so much. And I'm very delighted with this deal. We have is Walmart, and I didn't go very crazy on the clearance. When the Dollar General in January, they have a series of clearance Tuesdays. It goes on all month, but on Tuesdays is when the price drops right now. But when they have the quarter and 10-cent sale, that's when I'm really gonna go extra with that. So I'm just waiting for all the paper and bags and bows for the Dollar General. Alas, let's talk about this. We have a little bit of Christmas clearance. I found this little shaver set. It was $4.94. Ibotta has $2.50 rebate, so it made it $2.44 after everything is said and done. Gizmo, what do you think of that deal? Gizzy, hello. Quick little Ibotta deals is with these 3 count of the Durex. They are $2.88 a piece, and we have a $3 Ibotta rebate, so it makes it free, plus a 12-cent money maker, and it's holographic. The weird mood lighting, guys, it's kind of later in the day. These 2 ornaments for hubby and for my sister-in-law, they were $3.98 each, so 50% off, and it's this beautiful Hallmark one, so I have no problem paying that for those ornaments. And the Green Mountain coffee was on clearance for $5.26. Shopkick is giving back 2,000 points, which is $8, so it made it free plus a $2.74 moneymaker. McCafe was $7.79 with $8 back from Shopkick, so it made it a little money maker, like 21 cents and free. And my in-laws love this sort of coffee, so I'm happy to get it for free. And as stated earlier, my big long tangent and segue, why I'm not buying all the wrapping paper bags and bows, because I want to wait for the Dollar General. The quality is just as good for something that you're going to just throw away. I'd rather buy it there. So I will wait, and sometimes with 50% off, you pick and choose. I'll definitely, you know, roll some Walgreens cash and such because I have it at Walgreens, but these other stores, if it's coming out of my wallet, I don't want to cry that much. So explained there. And we have a little bandito right there. Gizmo, you want to say hi to everybody? Gizzy? Hello? So this is one of the, I'm not going to plug it in because it's kind of louder, but it's this inflatable, and see how big it is compared to my kitten. It's very sizable and it's really sweet looking. It actually looks like from the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, that old cartoon. So this guy was $2.50. So just they have them, they had a polar bear and a Santa Claus, and they're 22 inches, so it's just perfect. And I just think these would make a really cute gift, you know, to put in with Christmas stuff next year for little kids. And I have, you know, a couple nieces and stuff. I thought this would make kind of a cute little gift. So this is the polar bear right here. And we have the Minnie Mouse, and she was like $3.30, so it is part of Disney. And she is 22 inches tall, so just a little bit bigger than Santa. And I have a niece that loves Minnie Mouse, so I thought this would be part of her Christmas gift. And how this works, guys, is you can either use AA batteries or plug it in with one of those little plugs, so that works perfectly. What do you think, Gizzy? Hi, isn't he sweet? Are you a little coupon cat? And we also have Olaf, and like, what little girl doesn't like Frozen? And he's 24 inches tall. They could put it in their playroom. So go to the site brickseek.com, punch in this UPC, and you can see if your store has it, just to save you a bit of time. And we have Gizmo there. I think he wants to play. So I bought a bunch of those, very easy to store, and like, look at my hand to that, you know, pretty easy to store. Like, it's not a big, massive thing. Now we have some of these Christmas lights, and we're gonna either decorate outside or inside. I got 5 of them, and these larger ones were $2.20, and they're the old-fashioned bulbs, kind of nostalgic, and my husband was like, I think that's gonna be really cool. That's exactly how he sounds. And here is the UPC. So 75% off over at Lowe. So that is pretty cool. And then this is kind of interesting. It's like a mesh that hangs. And even though it's for like bushes and stuff, I think with some of these trees, maybe we can figure something out to plug that in. But it just seems really like the lazy way to hang lights. You know, something like that. But we have smaller trees on our property, and I thought that might work. And here's the UPC for that. Again, go to the site brickseek.com, type this in with your zip to see, hey, is there anything left? And for the last couple years, because all of our inflatables and lights, we've just been reusing the same set for a long time. And then this year, it was a perfect storm where everything stopped working, like all of our lights, all of our inflatables. So our Christmas decoration was really sad looking, but thankfully, with Lowe's having this right before Christmas, I think they did it like 2 days before Christmas. It just made it like such an easy thing to you know, put this up, and so it didn't look so sad, our home, because it was looking really sad. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy the snow, especially for the shoppers out in, you know, Arizona, Texas, California, the South. Look at that snow. Okay, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.